How to find speculums and bite plates. 1. Check dental and medical suppliers. Look for specialized medical supply stores that cater to dentists and healthcare professionals. 2. Search online marketplaces. Websites like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba offer a range of speculums and bite plates. 3. Visit dental clinics and hospitals. Local clinics may guide you to reliable suppliers. 4. Contact manufacturers. Reach out to dental and surgical instrument manufacturers for bulk orders or custom requirements. 5. Check with medical distributors. Wholesale medical distributors often provide high-quality instruments. 6. Attend medical trade shows. These events showcase the latest tools and allow direct purchases. 7. Verify quality and certifications. Ensure the products meet medical standards like ISO or FDA approval. 8. Consider secondhand options. Some hospitals and clinics sell surplus or lightly used instruments. By following these steps, you can easily find suitable speculums and bite plates.